Hello, St. John's. This is Ben Cowgill, Deacon and Curate here, and I'm going to tell you how to use Realm, both how to get started and as well as how to use Realm to make a pledge or just to do a one-time or a recurring gift to the church. So I'm starting as if I have just been invited to Realm. If you already have your username and password, skip ahead a little bit in this video. About a minute to a minute and a half, and then we'll go from there. If you haven't gotten a username or password to use Realm yet, and you do not have an invitation, contact the church office and we'll get an invitation sent to whichever email address you give us. If you do have the invitation, then we'll start from there. So I'm going to share my screen, and you'll see this invitation from St. John's Episcopal Church, join our online community. So I'll go ahead and click that. And it takes me here. It has my email address put in and wants me to create a password. So I wrote down my password before because I tried to record this video and it wasn't letting me use an easy password. It wants you to use a safe one. So you go ahead and put your password in, click the You're Not a Robot and hit register. And it will send you more instructions to activate your account. So you come back to your email and it wants you to verify your email. So you click on one more time to validate your email. It's going to ask you for your password one last time. This is the one you just made. So you go ahead and hit that, put it in, and it wants my birthday. Oh gosh, 1 January 1st. All right, so have those things at hand when you set up your first Realm account. Birthday, have a password that you want to use that's strong and secure, and that invitation from the church office. So now I'm in Realm. Great. And so assuming I got logged in okay, I'm going to go to giving. And there's several options here, right? And it also is going to show you all your giving history if you need to look back on what you've given in the past. So assuming we'll start with the pledge, right? I'm going to pledge for 2022, so I'll hit pledge. January 1st, 2022 to December 31st, 2022. And I want to pledge $100. And I'll put as can, right? So what that means is Realm is not going to charge you at any point. It just means that you're committing to pay that amount, right? And then I would hit save pledge. Now, if I wanted to set a schedule, I would say I want to pledge, I don't know, we'll say $200, and I want to pledge that much, or excuse me, we'll say $100, but I want to give that much every month. So we'll click every month. It has all these options here from every week all the way to annually. It already has the dates in there for 2022, and so that adds up to a total of $1,200, right? Because you're saying I'm going to pledge $100 a month. So we'll hit save pledge and go in there. And then we can hit finish, and there'll be an email receipt telling us that's how much we pledged. Or you can check this option and it'll bring you to another page. And this time it's asking you to set up the actual transaction, right? So the first thing we did is our commitment, just like filling out the pledge card. You're not giving cash, giving money in at that time, but you're making a promise. The second one is setting up an actual scheduled transaction with a credit card, bank account, et cetera, if you clicked that option back there. So I'm going to hit cancel and go back out of this. We'll hit finish, right? And so now down here, you see this popped up. I have my current pledge. I've said I'm going to give $100 every month. Total applied, all of that. And as I fill in my pledge next year, it'll show me that progress bar to see how far I've made on my pledge, which is great. So now assume it's January. I haven't scheduled a transaction yet, and I want to give to the church. So I'm going to click give. And the funds option is, there will be a variety of things here. Normally it's pledge gifts, but occasionally if there's a special event or a fundraiser, like for my ordination, there was a line where you could give directly to my discretionary account in honor of my ordination. So sometimes we'll add a different option for a fund, but the pledge gifts just sends it to the fund in the church. It lets us know that you've paid our pledge. So $100, give once. You can schedule a gift for later, or you can give today, and then you go ahead and hit continue, or you can click multiple times, right? Say you want to go ahead and do this every month, and you want to set it to go out of your bank account on the 29th of every month. And then you want to set an end date so that you can set a day. Say you want to do it through December. So you'll set that end date, right? Or you can say after 12 times if you want it to do once a month for 12 months, right? So there are a lot of different options there. So you close that, and I'm not going to do every week. I'm just going to do give once to show you. So then you hit continue, right? And this is where you fill out your information. You got two options. You can do a credit or debit card, just like any other online transaction. You put in your card and you put in the name, expiration date, the number on the back, as well as your billing address, right? I put in a dummy address for this account, so that comes up. So if your address is in Realm, it'll come up for you. And then it gives you this option to contribute to help offset the processing costs. So if you use a credit card, you can help us cover the 2.5, whatever the percent is for the credit card fee. Now, if you do bank account, it's very similar. It's going to want your two numbers, and it's going to want your address and your name on the account. And once you fill all that in, you hit give. And it's that simple, right? So it'll draft out of your account on the day you selected, either today or a day in the future. It'll charge your card either the day you selected or a day in the future, right? And so that's the easiest way you can set up your pledge as well as give to us online. Now, suppose it's March of next year and you don't remember how to get to Realm or how to get online. Well, good thing, there's a link on the website, right? So you go to our website, stjohnslynchburg.org, and you click in the top right corner, you click give, and this will take us to our new giving page. Right here will be this video, so you can review this video if you have any questions or need any help. And then you just have to click give online now. Whoops, it took us to this page. But when you click give online now, I'm going to set it up so that it will take you directly to the Realm giving page, right? So it'll ask you to sign in like this. You go ahead and put in your email address and your password, hit sign in, and you're back at Realm, right? And you go to that giving tab, or it might take you directly to that giving page, right? Where you hit give and it's showing you this. All right, friends, I hope that was I hope this was some helpful instruction for how to give at St. John's. As always, if you have any questions, please contact us at the church office. And of course, you can still give the normal ways. And this year during our pledge campaign, we will send you both a physical pledge card and the link so that you can pledge online if you so choose. Thank you so much. Hope you have a great day. God bless.